Hello everyone in cyber world. It's time for another project, so let's get right into it. For part 2 of the laundry closet rebuild, we're going to build shelves for the new washer and dryer. The first thing we need to do is locate the studs, and I'm not talking about the good looking guy who's doing this project, but I cut some cleats which will be mounted to the walls and the shelves will lay on top of. I wanted to paint them white so that even though they're on the bottom of the shelf, they still won't stick out like a sore thumb if seen from below. I used some spare 2-inch boards to lay on top of the washer and dryer as spacers so that I could lay the cleats on top of and easily mount them to the wall. Since I'm a poor man and I can't afford a table saw, a router, or other heavy-duty equipment, I find pocket holes to be the best way to safely assemble pieces of wood, as well as being the least expensive.
For those of you with an eye for details, you may have noticed the dummy that is working on this project drilled pocket holes on the wrong side of the boards, which means he will need to do some extra work. This means he needs to fill knot holes and sand them out, to make the shelf top a smooth surface.
Now I'm adding a faceplate to the front of the shelf, for one to hide the cleats underneath, and 2 to keep the shelf from bowing. Now it's time to pretend to be Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn and paint away and make a mess.
Poor man needed my guns to lift the shelf in place. He really needs to work out more.
And now it's time to repeat the steps to put in the upper shelf. And there you have it, the end of part 2 of the laundry closet rebuild. Well, we hope you enjoyed this part of the rebuild. See you again real soon.